Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. Now before we start the analysis, if you are new to this channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. After watching this video, if you find some values, so subscribe and like. And below the video, you will find many links. The top 4 links are for those people who wants to make money in swing trading. Okay, so the first link says swing trading on automation, so you can click on this link, then come to this page here, and then this is the the software I have created, which you can install on your chart and start your daily swing trading. Okay, so maybe I'm the first human on the planet to automate daily swing trading, so I have transferred my human knowledge into this robot, and everything is created by me. So if you want to automate the whole process of daily charts into trading, then check out the first link below which says swing trading on automation. Then second link is about join free Telegram. So make sure you connect with my free Telegram at least if you want to get some signals every now and then, or you want to stay updated. So join Telegram absolutely for free. Just below that, you have a link which says join premium signals. So in case you want to get some premium signals, you can check that out. And then check out the brokers in the prop firm right here. And make sure you join these brokers because I have been using them for last maybe 4 years and more. And they have, no shoes in withdrawals, because when you are into trading, the biggest problem is if your broker will pay you the money on time or not, or if they will run away with your money. Okay, so these are those trusted brokers in the pro firms. So go and join them to start your trading journey. Subscribe, like all of that, and check out these links. As I said, top 4 links are for traders, and these below links are for affiliate marketing. If you want to make money with affiliate marketing on YouTube or other stuff. Okay, so you can check out everything. Top 4 belongs to the traders, right? And especially if you want to automate everything, then check out the first one and come to this page. Watch this video to see the results. Now subscribe, like blah blah blah. Now let's start the analysis. All right, GBPUSD analysis today. So let's start the top down approach with the weekly time frame. Weekly, we are going to go up. We have this bullish hammer. Okay, so this is your pullback time. In weekly, we have downtrend and new low, pullback time. Okay, pullback. So next week is gonna be maybe long. Yes, surely. So in daily chart, this is your new what you called new low. Okay, so this is your downtrend. New low has been created. We are exhausted. You can see here from 17th of October until now, we have been going down. Okay, now it's time for pullback. Anybody who's even blind, okay, can know this is your long position in daily chart and your profits are right till the EMI. This is your pullback counter trade. Okay, we're gonna enter long in GBP USD, take our profits here. That's your free fucking money. That's like 200 pips almost. Okay, yeah, 180 pips for fucking free. Okay, so right now the price is 3160. Take your profits until the EMI. That's your 180 pips fucking free money. If you trade with lot size, let's say 5.0, I just gave you like maybe I don't know how many $1,000. Okay, so if you are trading, I don't know what capital you trade with. If you trade with large capital, I just made you thousands of dollars fucking free. Okay, coming back to 4 hour, uh take your call. If you want to wait for the pullback, I'll probably not wait for the pullback. Because I'll just go and enter long, because this was your daily candle. So on 6th of November, that was your entry candle for long, and then you take your profits at the EMI. In 4 hour, if you wanna wait for the pullback, whatever, I don't really have much expectation, but you should wait for the pullback. Okay. Otherwise, if you trade daily chart and you can manage your drawdown, if you know your lot size and stuff like that, then this is your entry, this is your profit. There's nothing else. Okay, so just go and make money. Okay, and thank me later. I may not record these videos every day, but when I record it, I fucking make you money. Okay, so go and like, subscribe. If that's not too much, you can dislike as well. Dislike as well if your ego is too much. Go and dislike. Join for Telegram. Join the brokers through my link if that's not too much to ask. Otherwise, who really cares? Subscribe, like, blah blah blah. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.